Alright guys, expect a quick video before too long. Probably before the end of the year. Because what happened a couple weeks ago, this light bulb, this guaranteed to last 7 years, died on me. I mean, the other one still works, but yeah. If you see, 1 January 17, couldn't even last a damn year. And that pisses me off because, but there are a couple factors as to why this probably died prematurely. I have this thing running more than 3 hours a day. I have a little bit more higher voltage coming into the house. Walmart grade crap. Think about it. Look at it. Where is it? Yeah. Great value. My butt. So yeah, I'm gonna have an autopsy on this. But just to prove, yeah. So yeah, I had to replace it, so I got light in here again, but that's not the point. The point is, this thing died. It's not supposed to die. Because LEDs is like the future, blah, blah, blah. Well, it ain't happening. So, I'll have an autopsy on this. So, no ideas this time. So, I guess till next time, thanks for watching. The comment box is open.